give us a brief expression of greeting and friendship through Fox British Movie Tone News for the British public, please, Mr. Gandhi.
Well, I'm glad to be able to say that the circle of British friends is ever increasing, and it could not be otherwise, as the Satyagraha movement, however much it may be misrepresented, is nothing but a movement for promoting goodwill amongst those against whom we seem to be fighting. Therefore, I have no misgivings as to the ultimate result. That's finished. There is no time left now.
Oh, thank you very much, Mr. Gandhi, for your kindness and patience. I should also like to thank you on behalf of Fox Movie Tone News for the message you've given to the American public and through Fox British Movie Tone News for the British public.
Thank you. Yes, you have to finish now.